Hey, Shane.
Hey, Andre, you coming to work?
Yeah, I'm almost there. What's going on?
Don't. The stupid pipes burst. The whole office exploded. The boss was so pissed.
You've got to be kidding me. All right. So what do we do now? Work from home?
Yeah, he said we have to until they fix the pipes. I'll send some files over.
Okay, thanks a lot, Shane.
No problem. Bye.
Bye. Damn it.
I don't think this is gonna work. Andre always checks his email.
Of course it will. Just keep acting like a good wife he thinks you are. And by the time that son of a bitch realizes his money's gone, we'll be halfway around the world.
But what about his daughter?
Trust me, alright? This family has enough money to support that brat, alright? We'll be fine. Of course it will. Just keep acting like a good wife he thinks you are, and by the time that son of a bitch realizes his money is gone, we'll be halfway around the world.
What the hell are you doing?
Andre! Oh my god!
What?
Oh my god. He's dead.
He came at me. I killed him.
This wasn't supposed to happen.
You were gonna run off with him.
No, I don't know. I'm sorry.
Andre? Elle? Are you guys okay?
I'll take care of this. Just go.
This is the police. Open up.